Hey guys, this is my bike check. I have a United rn2. It costed around $400. Got it from JR Bikes in St. Pete, I think. These are my Odyssey twist pedals. I got they're like $20, and I have a Shadow Conspiracy half link purple chain, a United pivotal seat. I don't know what type of tires or hub I have, and I have a linear brake cable with a medium length brake lever, and United grips came with the bike, United hub. But everything on here is United except the chain and the wheel. And I heard I think I'm gonna get the GLH Falcon animal tires, front and back. Subscribe and tell me what you think about my bike, and tell me what you think I should change. And here's how the back tire spins.